I'm using Kivy in this video to walk you through some Python and PyJNIus code that calculates frames per second in Android. Video frame rate or frames per second is an important parameter in Android video processing and gaming, but OpenCV often doesn't report an accurate video frame rate. This video provides a way to calculate video frames per second, which is an important parameter in Python for Android video processing and gaming, even though OpenCV does not appear to provide the frame rate value correctly in Kivy Python-for-Android. I use the Java class MediaMetadataRetriever from the package android.media. The method extract metadata of this class obtains the length or time duration of the video by querying the parameter metadata_key_duration. Similarly, it extracts the total number of frames in the recorded video with parameter metadata_key_video_frame_count. In our Python code, we access our Java object and invoke method extract metadata on it using PyJNIus. PyJNIus is a Python library that Kivy Python uses for accessing Java classes using the Java native interface. To calculate the frame rate in our Python code, we divide the total video frames by the video length after converting the video length to seconds. Upon cross-checking, we see that our frame rate agrees with that reported by Windows. So this offers us a method to calculate video frame rate while overcoming an apparent OpenCV limitation in Android. If you want full details of the implementation, including the Java and PyJNIus code in Python, please click the link to the code given in the description box. Note that by clicking this link, your email address may be shared with us so that we can provide you access to our code. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give it a like and share the video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Stay tuned for the next video.